Hi, I'm Evan,
Hi, I'm Reagan.
and today we will show you how to do picture and video, such as here.
Also, we will focus on video and video, such as here.
Wow, what a catch!
Football, man.
Football.
Back to you.
Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do picture-in-picture or picture-in-video. First, you're going to want to import your clip, which I've done here. And after you import your clip, you're going to go to VFX, and right-click on the clip. You're going to click on Add. You're going to go to Image Key. Then you're going to go into the left-hand side to this thing over here. Then you're going to click Choose File. And you're double-click on the image you're going to import. You can use Master to edit it, X and Y scale, or you can just click on it and drag it to where you want it to go.
Adding on to picture and video, we're going to be doing video and video. So first we want to add another video track. So you're going to go to Tracks and then hit Add Video. So as you see, now we have a V1 and V2, which is video 1 and V2. So we're going to take our first track, which we have, we're going to put that into the first V1. Then we're going to slide our second track that we want to be overlaid, and we're going to slide that in the second. Then you're going to go over to VFX, and you're going to right click on your first track, and it's going to pop up all this. You're going to hit Add and 2D DVE. And 2D DVE gives you all these options, and what you're looking for right now is master, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and as soon as this loads, you are going to shrink it down, and as you see, your previous video is now behind that, and you could change your position by doing this, or by simply just clicking the middle and dragging it anywhere you want it to be.
That's all, folks.